Okay, so just quick video on why these door handle sensors just seem to keep failing. I think I've replaced all four at this point on my Audi S4. They have a rubber coating on them, and over time that coating delaminates, it cracks, it comes up, water gets in there because the door handle is obviously, you know, on the outside of your car, and then moisture gets in. And once that moisture's in, and if just one has failed, then they don't work at all. I mean, it's kind of nice to have your keys in your pocket and you don't have to use the key fob, but so essentially this just fits into it, and this would be the way that, where's that sensor? We'll go like that. Here's the sensor. The sensor's about here, and because all this has come up and the electronics has failed, then you got to go spend 200 and whatever bucks just for the part alone. But I've replaced them with, there's ones on Amazon for like 20 bucks, and so far they seem to be working, other than the fact that another sensor went, so nothing's working again. But once I get that one installed, then it should be working again. Instead of paying 200, you can pay 20. So, and honestly, guys, like, just do this yourself. This literally took, I don't know, 3 minutes to undo. The trick is when you're taking the handle, oh, don't close the door. Ah! Of course I closed it. Now I'll have to open it from the inside. So let's do that. Never fear, there's always an interior door handle. Let's try that again. This is on a front door, so it just has a little grommet there you pull off. On the rears, it's this here, and then you're just looking in. You can, I shine a light in the top one, and then I can see the screw that you have to undo. It's the same as this, only this one's super close, so you don't need light to shine in through top to see where it is. Then you're backing it out, and then once you back it out, push it in. That kind of frees up the plastic piece that goes here, and then unscrew it some more, and then you're gonna have to take like some sort of plastic, one of those plastic pry pieces, or just use a screwdriver. Be careful and pull that out, and then you're just pulling the door handle to the back, sliding it out, unclipping it from here. The process is basically the reverse, only this is the mechanism here. I can't see that, but this piece here has to be pulled back up, and then the door handle has to be slid back underneath it. So what I did is I made a little hook with a piece of electrical wire, so you can hook around that and pull it up, which is just right here. And just hooking that on, pulling that up. But what you do, because it won't stay, and you can't obviously put the handle back on with this here, is, I don't know how it works, but by screwing this back in quite a ways and then pulling up on that piece of wire, every time it stays. And then you just slip the handle back in. Don't forget to reconnect it. And then put that plastic piece back in, and then tighten it down. But you have to tighten it down or the door handle won't work properly. And that's it.